Hello and welcome to Easy Biology. Today's video is going to discuss mitosis, or cell division at a higher level. I talked about cell division in a previous video, which I will link in the description and the iCard, so please watch that before this one. This video will specifically focus on mitosis, and the next one will feature meiosis, which is a type of cell division. So before we start, it's important to know what a somatic cell is. A somatic cell is any cell in the body that is not involved in reproduction, so cells that are not sex cells. There are many examples of somatic cells, with some being stem cells and liver cells, etc. Sex cells are cells like sperm or egg cells. Mitosis is the division of somatic cells. As I stated in the introduction, there is another type of cell division called meiosis, which we will look at in a later video. However, mitosis is the one specifically for somatic cells. The purpose of mitosis is to transfer identical copies of genetic material from one cell to another. It's a very important process in the development and growth of an embryo. It replaces damaged cells and is also used for asexual reproduction. But how does it work? Well, mitosis has been separated into stages. The first stage is when the chromosomes, which were previously thin and long, begin to shorten and thicken. This allows them to become more visible, which is especially helpful when viewing them from under a microscope. The second stage consists of the chromosomes replicating or copying itself. When this happens, an individual chromosome is said to have two chromatids. If it is alone, it is a chromosome. If it's in a pair, it's two chromatids to make that pair. At the third stage, the nuclear membrane breaks down and the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, which is called an equator. After that, spindle fibers attach to chromosomes and separate the pairs. These pairs are placed at opposite ends of the cells. And then finally, the cytoplasm divides and creates two new identical cells. The new cells are called daughter cells, with the original cell being called the parent cell. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned even a little something from this video. My aim is to upload once every month at least, since I am a university student and learning more just like you guys, and so I hope that's okay. Another thing is that I'd love to be able to help some of you in detail. Since these videos are catered for the masses, I can sometimes gloss over some specifics. If you have any questions about the videos, or if you're really struggling with the topic, I will leave my email in the description box for you to contact me so that we can arrange something. That's all I have to say. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video.